Ability. I can swim. She can play piano. She can play piano. I can speak 4 languages. I can speak Chinese. I can speak English. Request. Can you hand me the pen? Can you hand me the pen? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Can you give me a hand? Can you give me a hand? Can I go to the park? Can I go to the park? Permission. If you need, you can take my car. If you need, you can take my car. Can I borrow your pen please? Can I borrow your pen please? Can I use your book please? Can I use your book please? Can I borrow your book? Can I borrow your book? Can I speak to Mr. John? Can I speak to Mr. John? Not allowed. You can't go to the party. You can't go to the party. You can't smoke in this room. You can't smoke in this room. You cannot smoke here. You cannot smoke here. You cannot drive fast. You cannot drive fast. Possibility. One wrong move can lose the whole game. One wrong move can lose the whole game. It can get very hot there 3 days. It can very cold there at night. It can very cold there at night. Smoking can cause cancer. Smoking can cause cancer. Can I carry your bags for you? Can I carry your bags for you? How can I help you? How can I help you? Can I help you? I finished the video here today. If you like the video, please like or comment. And if you can, share the video with your friends. If you want to learn English, you have to practice regularly and learn new sentences. Otherwise, it is not possible to speak English because the practice is the key to success. So, practice regularly. Stay well and keep learning English with me.